Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Guys, another video. I got my Kokie Cosmetics May mystery bag in the mail today, and I'm so excited. I don't know why that I'm doing this ASMR style, but I am. Oh my gosh. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for hitting that, you know, just clicking the video. Thank you for that. Thank you for clicking that let's play button. You know, let's play level 1. Let me stop. All right, let's get into this bag. The details is that it's $50 worth of product. It's $25. Yes, is it worth it? Is it not? Let's see. Anyways, the last Kokie mystery box I had was $30. I mean, $15 worth, $30 worth of product. It was worth its money. I fell in love with my favorite blush. So let's see if I get any favorites in this bag. Spoiler alert, I did film this video, try to film this video twice. So I already know like majority of the products in here, but I don't know all of it. So let's see. It comes in bubble wrap, then come in a baggie. The first item I'm picking out of the bag is the Kokie Slay Day Waterproof Mascara. Well, not Slay, Stay Dry. Oh, I said day. Stay Dry Waterproof Mascara. I love waterproof mascaras and I can't wait to try this out. I was just boo-hooing about not getting the Tarteist mascara from Ipsy, but I saw that the other one was waterproof, so I was like, I understand because I like waterproof mascaras. I put that on my quiz, so I understand why they gave me that one. But I'm so glad I got another waterproof, and it's from a brand that I actually like and love, so can't wait to try this out. The next thing is that I got their Strobe Lights. This is their highlighter stick. It's a cream, but it's a cream to powder. It's not very sticky. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels like a powder. It just feels dry. It gives a nice luminous glow to the skin. Here it is swatched on my hand and blended out. It gives a nice sheen and I really do like it. This is in the shade Splendor. And this is what it looks like. The third and fourth thing is a lip liner and a eyeliner. This is the lip liner in Nude Mauve, and this is the eyeliner in Bronzed. And this is the lip liner swatched, and I also have it on my lips today. So again, we have the Nude Mauve lip liner and the bronze liner. These are the third and fourth products, and this is the lip liner swatch, and the bronze eyeliner swatch is right on top of it. I do like it. It could be nice for like on the lid, like a cream shade. I'm down, Kokie. I'm down. The fifth item is I thought it was a repeat, but it's not. This is still the show. It's not the rose gold. This is just like a greenish gold color. It's a duo. One is cream and one is metallic, like a glitter. I don't know if I'm going to open it because I do have my rose gold one that I'm currently going through. And then when I finish that, then I'm going to open this. Hopefully I finish it. Hopefully. The next thing is a lip gloss. You guys know I love lip gloss. This is the Lip Veneer Cream Gloss. This is in the shade Unspoken. And this is what is on my lips with the lip liner. And this is what you've been looking at with the swatches. Like, I really do like this gloss. It's not sticky. It's very comfortable on the lips. It's pigmented, but it's good. So it's not stringy. I like it so far, so I'm excited. You guys know I love a good gloss, so I'm excited about this. Does anyone remember when I used to be like, oh, glosses are like for kids? That was me back in the day, and now I want matte. Remember that? That was like a couple of years ago. Now I'm glossy. This is the last product. This is the sixth product. This is the color correcting finishing powder in yellow. This is for darkness correction. This is basically a banana brighten powder. I haven't had this in so long. Banana powder, and it's like, let's try it again. So this will definitely be in the first impressions. all these other products will be in a first impression besides, you know, the lip liner, lip gloss, and highlighter. Everything else will be in a first impressions. I hope you guys liked this unbagging. I liked everything in my bag. Like before in the other one, it was some stuff that I was like, eh. But in this bag, I'm like, yo, I like everything. That's like, wow. Wow. This was a good bag. Why am I bagging him? I say, I don't know why I do it. I don't know. Anyways, I like this. The link down below will be if you want to grab this bag. Of course, it's a mystery bag, so it's different variation of products. This is my variation. I hope you guys liked it. Head right here, videos right here. Go check my other unboxings out, my mystery bag unboxings, everything else. If you want to check Kokie's, last year's Kokie's unbagging, it will be right here somewhere. I don't know. It will be over here somewhere, or it will be in the cards. It would have popped up in the cards. Anyways, go check the description box. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Bye. I'm a little I've been waiting for this bag for a very long time. I've been waiting for this bag all day. It's like 10 o'clock, so yeah.